First, I would say I didn't know the Wright brothers. Okay, I want to go on the record there. But I will tell you, when I came into the airline industry, that we did navigate with, on some routes, with ADF equipment. In particular, when you would take off out of Miami or Fort Lauderdale out over the water, you would use ADF navigation. And you did your load planning manually. Your flight times, you would do those manually when you got back to flight ops. And in flight operations, I use the acronyms. In flight operations, we had a mechanical adding machine only because the abacus had broken and they had to update with something new and improved. Now, fast forward over the years, and in fact, in those beginning years, we had analog. They actually had analog navigation computers. So now, fast forward to today, and I can't wait to catch that punt from the last panel on NextGen, because I'm passionate about NextGen and everything that NextGen can do to improve our operations, improve our capabilities, save fuel, reduce noise, help with the environment, and again, back to delays. We can do a lot about that with the technology coming on board.